MR Shop.
Looking for the best air compressor? In this video I have compiled a list of the top 5 air compressor in the market. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. VEVOR 25/60L Air Compressor 110V, 240 volts silent oil-free air compressor 750 W1 HP for home repair tire inflation whisper compressor. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Check description below for product link. Number 4. VEVOR 9L silent air compressor with pure copper motor 550 W oil-free air pump for home repair tire inflation whisper compressor. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 3. (220 volts 550 W 750 W 980 W air compressor 8L 30L silent oil-free air compressor for home car repair tire Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 2. (220 volts 110 W small air compressor oil-free silent air pump high pressure industrial air compressor portable woodworking air pump). Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 1. VEVOR oil compressor 50L 1 horsepower air compressor 11 gallon, ultra quiet air compressor. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.